Hi, this is Wade Tonkin with GTO Management. I wanted to give you a quick tour of a new tool that we're making available to you in the C28.com affiliate program called GoldenCan. To use GoldenCan, you need to create yourself a free account. This for you as an affiliate is free. We pay for it as a merchant. And what GoldenCan does is lets you create different kinds of storefronts and searchable storefronts that you can use to merchandise C28.com products on your website. So let's go ahead and dive on in here and we'll show you how things work. So first off, I'll go ahead and log in with my account. There's several different types of stores you can build. You can build a keyword category store. You can build a keyword-based store. You can also build single merchant or multiple merchant stores. But just for the sake of showing you how things work here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a single merchant store for C28. This is super simple. So essentially I click on that single merchant store, I come in here, I get a choice of all the merchants in the system. C28, super easy to find. This star here means that we are in fact a free merchant. Some of the merchants that have been in GoldenCan for a while, you can actually get dinged by a little bit because they're doing what's called a fourth click payment system, where GoldenCan actually takes 1 out of every 4 clicks that go through the system to make their money. In our case, we pay GoldenCan every month, so it's free to you. Every click that you send through this system is going to be attributed to you. So we'll go ahead and click on C28. And we need to create a store. So we'll call this C28 Christian Clothing. Down here you'll see that it asks for my CJ publisher ID, and it also asks me for a shopper ID. The publisher ID is something that we would have already inserted into the GoldenCan system. When you create yourself an account, it's going to ask you for your publisher ID from Commission Junction, Linkshare, Share a Sale, all the other affiliate networks. So that's already going to be saved in this system. The shopper ID, the SID, is what you can use to help you track what channel the sales came from. So in my case, I decided that I wanted to see GCan set up as the SID to show me that sales came in through the GoldenCan channel, just for my own tracking purposes. So now that I've named my store, I've got my information set up, I'm going to go ahead and click Create Store. Okay, I'm going to have some choices here in terms of different settings that I can play with here on my GoldenCan store for C28. You can see the information that we already talked about here. I'm going to do an entire store shop here. I can change that if I want to. If I wanted to do a let's say just an accessories store, I could do that. I could do girls plus size. I could do guys, have a guys store. I could have a jewelry store. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and use entire store. I'm going to place that as active. I can choose whether I want to have a search box that's usable for people that are on the site. I'm going to choose yes because I think search boxes are smart. You always want to let people search for their own, for what they want if you can, because it lets them cut down the shopping process a little bit. Let's go ahead and say yes. I want to display the product detail. I want to display the brands. You can choose the different types of fonts that you want to use. I'm going to go Verdana because I love that font. I can choose different font colors if I want to, but I'm going to leave that alone. And I can choose layout. So I'm going to go 3 categories per row. I'm going to go 3 products per row. And products per page, let's go ahead and go with, let's go 15 products on a page. You can choose how wide you want the images to be by default. I'll just leave their system as is. And you can also decide whether you want to open external links in a new window. What this means is that if somebody clicks on a product that they see in one of these stores, what's going to happen is if you say no, they're going to go away from your site. If I were you, I would go ahead and leave it at yes, because you want people to stay on your site, but then go off to another page to shop for us. I'm going to click Update Store. Makes my changes, and then down below here you can see exactly what you're going to be able to place on your website promoting C28. So up at the top here you're going to have shopping categories, you're going to have some of the brands that we feature, and then you're going to have actual products that people can take a look at. And this is really good stuff. It's easy for people to use. It's easy for you to put in play on your website. There's multiple pages of product because we have tons of different products on this website. I mean, there's literally over 2,500 SKUs or different products on the website, and all those are going to be displayed. People can click through the different pages of C28 product that are available. So, all done, got what you want, and you want to put it in place on your site. You got a couple of different options for you. JavaScript is the simplest. Copy and paste the JavaScript into your page or into your blog. If you've got, if you're using a blog or if you're using a website, you go ahead and drop this code in there, and you are all set. It's going to display exactly what you saw above. Drawback to it is it's not going to have search engine optimization benefits. So what you might want to do, if you're a little bit more of a savvy coder, you can actually go down here and select from spiderable versions of the GoldenCan pages. So if you're using PHP code on your site, you can grab this code snip here, paste it into your site, and you're off and going. ASP code, ASP.NET, all kinds of different options for you. In any case, so at this point, I've created a store. All I got to do is copy and paste this code right here into my website, and you're off and running. So they have got good support. They've got good frequently asked questions. I really definitely recommend that if you are somebody out there that wants to merchandise C28 product, that you give strong consideration to using the GoldenCan tool. If you have any questions on it, you can definitely go ahead and give us an email at affiliates@c28.com, and we'll do our best to help you out. So great tool for you. Highly recommend it. GoldenCan from c28.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.